Hi, this video will show how Mixset can be used with state machines. We have a lamp product line. The lamp has two features, sleep and dimmer. The basic lamp contains the on and off. The on switch on the light when it is in the off state, and the off switch off the light when it is in the on state. So the state diagram can be shown through the upper bottom, the S1. The second file contains the sleep feature, which makes the light switch off after a certain time. Actually, it's specified by certain minutes. So after 60 minutes, the light, when it is on state, it will switch off. The third file contains the dimmer switch. The dimmer switch will allow the light to have a range of brightness. The maximum is 10 and the minimum is 0, and the default is specified here as 5. When the light is in the on state, the increase button will increase the level of brightness by 1. So here we have the code to update the brightness by a single unit. The decrease brightness also implemented as aspect, and it decreases the brightness by 1 level. We can see that there is similarity between the three files. So the base lamp has the basic implementation of the lamp, and it has the on and off only, and the other have the on and off and other extra states or events. If we delete the off state from this file, the sleep feature and the off event, it will contain only the things that is related to the sleep feature. And if we do the same for the dimmer switch, we have now only the pieces that are related to the dimmer switch implementation. We can do the merging using the mixin, in which we can combine two files if they have similar or the same structure, so they have the same class and the same state. So we can show that in this file we merged the lamp, the base lamp, with the feature, the sleep feature. We can use a Mixset approach by define a Mixset, we call it sleep, and we can copy this piece, we can call it fragment, And now we have a Mixset, which is by default is not activated, but when we use the sleep, it will activate the implementation segment related to this sleep Mixset. We can do the same for the dimmer, and we define a Mixset and we call it dimmer. And paste the code. In this way, we show how Mixset or several Mixset can be included to provide variation of a product line. The use statement activate certain features. So here we have the base. If we just comment on the use of a sleep, we can activate the sleep, and then we can activate the dimmer. The Mixset can be also embedded in a certain construct. For example, it will give the same result. If we, for example, take this off, but this is not required, but just to show example, and remove all of this here, and put this one in the on state, we have the Mixset dimmer. So we have the same result. So we have two kinds of Mixset, the one which is the outer one as first entities, and the one that is inner, we call it inner Mixset or inline Mixset.